Alright then, and this is what. With Woody Woodpecker and Inga Smorgasbord, they fall in love, and this, and here's, and this, and their romance, the romantic, and their heart against them. And that's all I need them. And this is, the woodpecker and fox are true love. And this is when Woody Woodpecker had a relationship in his life. And that's what I need. Okay. When Woody Woodpecker kissed Angus Morgansport. Thank you. Then, you will this time for now. This thing for that. Okay. Oh. Hmm. Well, what do I do? Okay. So what does that mean here anyway? Well, of course. Well then. You well? Everything? What, what is this place? What are you thinking? Well, of course, see, I told you even better and ever again. So what does that mean here, everything? You are hands of technology by then. Well then, have you seen them? And this is Angus Smorgasbord. Angus Smorgasbord is coming. Let's see. Woody Woodpecker. Oh, what was that? It's you again. Oh, Woody Woodpecker. Oh, there it is. I found him. It's nice. Woody Woodpecker? Oh, it's you again. Woody Woodpecker. Hi, Angus Smorgasbord. What's up? Oh, hi, Woody Woodpecker. What are you waiting for? I know. So what else you can do here? Can you tell me? Alright then. So, well, Angus Smorgasbord. How long in this is, and there's romance, and there's a romantic, and their heart. And this is, and here's, the woodpecker and fox are true love, and there's, Woody Woodpecker and Angus Smorgasbord had a relationship. Can I need some, a Woody Woodpecker kiss Angus Smorgasbord, you see. Well, of course, you see. Oh, I love this thing, of course. Yeah, I know, agree with this. Now, come here, you. Okay. Okay. Oh, Woody Woodpecker, I love you. Oh, I love you too, Angus Smorgasbord. Come on, let's go. Thank you. We love her so much, Angus Smorgasbord. I love you so much, Woody Woodpecker.